So hey guys, we're gonna make a bird feeder. It's like he makes like a square, like with some pillars here, and then there's like something that shades, like provides shades. Then after that there are borders over here for the food. Like it provides food and shade and water. Forgot to mention that. Okay. So you have to get something like this, like a cardboard sheet. Like a cardboard side is one, like a cardboard. So you need cardboard, first of all. Cut it into a square. Second step. That's the second step. Okay. Now we need pillars. Now we need all the ingredients. Pillars, something to provide shade for it. The borders also, okay. Let's do this. Oh, done in a second. Okay, so I got the borders, like I know, and this is the pillars. You know, two pillars can also hold something like two pillars. Like two pillars over here, like this. And these are the borders. They have to be thicker, like this thicker. You can make it like 1 inch thick or 2 centimeters thick, maybe like that. Yeah, 2 centimeter thick. Or you can make 2 centimeter thick, and it has to be like aligned to the side, like the same length to each of the squares side. Okay. So we got all the materials, the borders, the pillars, the thing that provides shade, the roof. Forgot the roof. Now we have to put it all together. We need the glue gun. Now we're gonna get a secret weapon. I got the secret weapon. Better than super glue. Glue gun. Okay. That's just too dramatic. Now we have to wait for 2 hours. Oh, like 2 hours. Okay, not 2 hours. Like a few minutes. Like a few minutes, okay? To charge. Oh. 2 hours. 2 hours later. So guys, it should work. By the way, why is it not working? Oh no, I'm a dummy. Oh, switch it on. No! I've been waiting for so long. My God. Oh, it sucks. Actually, I'm joking. Ha 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 ha. Stop. So guys, we have to take a break. And I'm going out. Okay? So bye. Stop the music. Oh, finally the music went. Okay. So guys, I have to go out. We will continue this, okay? Yeah, after like 1 billion hours, I'll come back. Bye. Bye. Oh good, I'm back, yes. Finally, I don't need to end the video and all my stuff is saved. I have all my stuff. Yeah, that was just for a joke. I went for like 1 billion hours. My prediction was true. I would go out for 1 billion hours. So I have to charge this and wait for another 1 billion hours. Okay. It's switched on, you can see that. Why does it look like red to me, but white to the camera? It looks like white to the camera. Okay. Okay, I dare myself to touch the metal part. I'm touching the metal part. It's not even hot. Tum, bum. Ah, I just like the heat. It's getting hot. Yeah. Actually, we need to we should not waste time. It's already 1 minute. Let's just speed this up. Oh my god, blue's already coming out of there. Jeez. Oh. It has been a long time. So first, we're gonna take the base, which is this. Then we're gonna put some glue on each side. Use an adult because it's kind of dangerous, okay? So I'll use an adult. So I applied glue to one of the corners, one of them. Oh, you can see the glue. I don't think so. You can't see the glue. Oh wait. So I'm gonna take this and put it over here. That's a little bit harder and yes, not stuck. Now you have to do it to the remaining 4 sides. Okay? Oh no, the glue gun is not working anymore. Why didn't they make large enough sticks? Now it's not even coming. Now I need to take a stick and reload my gun. Getting the stick. Yes. Get it the material. The material. Yes, so yummy. Chocolates. Yeah, now it's gonna work. See how much it's working now. After glue is working. I'm just gonna spread it. I'm just gonna do it because I just want it evenly spread because it was not evenly spread that time. Okay, wait. So yeah, we're done. So you're done with that step. Now for the pillars, we're gonna put the pillars like this. Okay. So the first pillar, we will put the glue over here. I'm explaining it to you so you don't get confused. And then after that, when we put the glue in this side where the stick is, you have to put the stick. Then after that, yeah. No, you have to hold it up over there for more time. I hope it'll stand up eventually. Yeah. Oh, that's why they tell you to be careful. It really burns. No, no, you're not gonna go there. So how am I gonna push this? Oh, I need to. All the burning is gone. Yeah, we're gonna wait these to stable. These 2 things to get stabilized. So guys, if it's not glued properly, like for this pillar, then you have to just put more glue. Oh, I don't want to get burnt. Yeah, now just wait. Oh, guys, I think it's okay. I'm stable for now. Yeah. Now we're gonna put more glue. Why does this look like it's so fragile and it's gonna fall down? Like this. Yeah, you have to put it like this. I actually did not glue it, so it's gonna fall down. Yeah. I did not glue it. So we put the glues. So we're gonna have to glue the roof. Now you have to glue the roof. You can add 4 pillars or 2 pillars. Like I said before. 4 or 2 pillars. Okay? 4 or 2 pillars, yeah. Now we have to put I should have put 4 pillars because I was like not feeling right to do like a bunch of crafts. I feel like I should leave it over there. Yeah, I should leave it over there, and then after that, when it dries up, it will be better. Like, okay, so we're gonna wait for 10 hours, like a billion hours. No, like for 2 years. Yeah, for 2 years. So we're gonna wait for 2 years. So guys, it had glued up. So the last step is, so you made your bird feeder. Top is wobbly actually. Actually, yeah, the bird feeder is kind of good. Yeah, good. And now the last step is to put like bird food, like bird seeds. So you can put a divider here if you're gonna put 2 bird seeds. Yeah. I'm kind of gonna like just put them mixed up for the birds to eat. Yeah. So let's get the bird seeds. So guys, I've done a little bit research, and pigeons are like usually coming. Only pigeons will come. I mean UAE. Only pigeons will come, and then after that they mostly will eat rice. So if the pigeons will only come, you will have to put rice in this. Oh, this is quite strong. Yeah. So hope you learned how to build a bird feeder house. A bird feeder. Bye.